If you want to know how to fix a Snapchat not showing names, you've come to the right place. So firstly, I'd like to open Snapchat, and as you can see, if I'm going to chat folder, we can easily read all the names inside. So how can you do the same? How can you fix this problem? Because sometimes people won't be able to recognize the names, to read them. Basically, the app doesn't show the names at all. So in order to do it, we simply need to close our Snapchat firstly, and I'm going to recommend you to check your Wi-Fi or mobile data connection, because Snapchat has to download some data from their cloud services, and sometimes if you don't have any connection, you won't be able to read them right up here. And the other way of how can we fix this problem is that we need to click on App Store or Google Play, and here search for Snapchat. So after that, make sure that we'll open our official app page here, and we need to make sure that we have the latest version. So if you have the update button, please click and then just download it. So after that, you'll be able to read all the names. But the other way of how can we fix that is that we need to go to settings, and here scroll down to find Snapchat settings, so right up here. And then on this page, make sure that background app refresh feature is turned on. So basically it provides us Snapchat the opportunity to download the data while it's even off. So after that, we can come to our chat folder, and this problem will be automatically solved. So this is a way of how can we fix Snapchat not showing names. Leave a like, subscribe, goodbye.